How to use ProWritingAid. To start using ProWritingAid, click the link provided in the description below. This will open ProWritingAid instantly on your web browser. Once you're there, you can either sign up or log in if you have one. Here we have the ProWritingAid interface. Now let's explore some of its key features. The Grammar tab is a great place to start. When you click on it, ProWritingAid will analyze your text and highlight any potential grammar and spelling errors. As you make changes, the tool will provide explanations and suggestions to help you improve your writing. Moving on to the Style tab, ProWritingAid helps you enhance the readability and style of your writing. It checks for repetitive phrasing, cliches, vague language, and other stylistic pitfalls. By clicking on each highlighted error, you'll receive suggestions for improvements that will make your writing more concise, engaging, and impactful. Now, let's explore the Overused Words feature, an incredibly handy tool. It highlights any words you might have used excessively, allowing you to diversify and enrich your vocabulary. By replacing these overused words with more unique or varied alternatives, your writing will become more dynamic and engaging. Plagiarism check tool. This feature is especially useful for students, academics, and content creators. By scanning your text against millions of web pages, ProWritingAid can alert you to any potential instances of unintentional plagiarism. ProWritingAid also offers a range of other valuable features, such as the consistency check, the dialogue tags check, and more. You can explore all these features by selecting the respective tabs on the right-hand side of the interface. Additionally, you can customize the settings to fit your specific writing style and preferences.